T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engines full power and liftoff. Go Falcon, go Cygnus.
And liftoff. Falcon 9 and Cygnus take flight.
M1D chamber pressure nominal.
The SS Willie McCool is en route to the International Space Station. Vehicle pitching downrange as all 9 Merlin engines have lit.
We are currently throttling down to prepare for max Q, which is the point in the mission profile where the vehicle experiences the greatest amount of aerodynamic pressure that it'll see
telemetry nominal
on ascent. Max Q is reached when the air density of the atmosphere decreases faster than the increasing speed of the rocket. So look out for that call out, which we're expecting to hear shortly.
Falcon 9 is supersonic. Max Q.
And there's that call out for max Q. Now, coming up next are several events that are going to happen in rapid succession. First is main engine cutoff, stage separation, stage 1 flip, second engine start, boost back burn start, and then fairing separation. Main engine cutoff, or MECO, is where all 9 M1D engines
Stage 2 engine chill.
on the Falcon 9 first stage are shut down. This is followed by separation of the first and second stages. Stage 1 flip is when the booster uses its nitrogen gas thrusters to flip the booster around. And a few seconds later, the Merlin vacuum engine on the second stage will ignite to boost Cygnus to low Earth orbit, and that is also called out as Second Engine Start 1, or SES-1. After that, Falcon 9's first stage will ignite again to orient itself to head back to land. And shortly thereafter, the 2 fairing halves will separate and expose the spacecraft to the vacuum of space. And we should be hearing the first of those call-outs in about 10 seconds from now.
Stage separation confirmed.
MVAC startup.
Stage 1 boost back startup. Fairing separation confirmed.
And there we heard the call-outs for all of those events, which again were MECO, stage separation, stage 1 flip, SES-1, boost back burn start, and fairing separation. And coming up shortly, we should hear a call-out for completion of the boost back burn on the Falcon 9 first stage. This burn, which will last in total about 50 seconds, is the first of 3 burns that the booster needs to go through in order to make its way back to landing zone 2 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. So there was the successful boost back burn on the Falcon 9 first stage.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
And there's the call out for the entry burn startup on the Falcon 9 first stage. This burn is set to last about 20 seconds and again is slowing down the vehicle in preparation for its final burn and landing. These are incredible clear views that we have today. And we also just heard the call out for the entry burn shutdown, which is the completion of the Falcon 9 first stage entry burn. Coming up next will be the first stage landing burn, which is going to start a little over a minute from now. So soon we'll have that start of the landing burn of the first stage. This is the final burn of the Falcon 9 booster used to reduce the remaining speed of the vehicle for a gentle and precise landing. Check out those incredible views as it comes down.
Stage 1 FTS has saved. Stage 1 transonic. Stage 1 landing burn.
You just heard the call out for the landing burn start on the Falcon 9 stage. Again, this is the final burn that this booster will see before landing.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And that was another successful landing of our Falcon 9 rocket.
Stage 2 has entered terminal guidance.
This is the fourth launch and landing for this first stage.
Stage 2 FTS has saved.
Coming up at around the 8.5-minute mark, we should hear a call out for engine cutoff 1 or SECA 1, which is when the MVAC engine on the second stage shuts down. That'll conclude the roughly 6-minute burn by this engine needed to get Cygnus into the proper orbit for eventually intercepting the International Space Station.
MVAC shutdown.
And there's that call out for the second stage. We are now waiting for confirmation of good orbit.
Nominal orbit insertion.
And there was a great call out there. So at T plus 8 minutes and 57 seconds into the mission, and the second stage has one last major task, and that's commanding separation of the Cygnus spacecraft in just a few minutes from now. We should be hearing that call out shortly for payload deployment of the Cygnus spacecraft.
Cygnus separation confirmed.
And there you have it, a successful spacecraft separation. The Cygnus spacecraft is now on its way to the International Space Station, and as mentioned, is expected to arrive about 60 hours from now. With successful separation, that's going to do it for me here in Hawthorne. Be sure to check out spacex.com/launches for a schedule of our upcoming missions. And when you're there, check out our new departure board featuring our upcoming launches with details such as the mission name, launch and landing site, and liftoff time.